login with the operator credential. So let's log in. This is the dashboard of operator. We have created this operator just before. The name, email address, creation date, activation status, and the company name also. Okay, and this is the operator. Let's come to dashboard. These are 0 and null, as this is a phrase created. Okay. This is the billing area. From here the operator can generate a new bill. Okay. This is the add stock form. From here he can enter a new inventory details or new add stock. Okay. This is the stock details. From here he can see all the stocks which are available or sold or damaged, everything from here. Okay, this is the manage stock. From here he can manage the stocks. He can generate seller invoice. He can remove item from the stock for, he can return, he can mark as damage. Okay, this is the manage bills. From here the operator can manage all the bills. This customize add stock. Using this he can customize the stock entry form. This item. From here he can create item manually, or he will see all the item list here. Also this item can be created dynamically from stock entry form, and we will see this. This is seller. He can create a seller manually from here, or the seller can be created from stock entry from dynamically. This is buyer. He can create buyer manually from here, and the buyer can also be created from billing area when generating a bill to a buyer. So this is the basic introduction video for an operator. We will see each option one by one in later videos, that how operator can use this application.